Good morning to our lecturers and my classmates. My name is Lim Wei Sang, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Design Studio 1, Assignment 1, which was started from our first week until the third week. So the workshop that I've done for the assignment includes 3 workshops: Workshop 1, Workshop 2, and Workshop 3. So starting from the first day of class, we have our Workshop 1, which offers up the possibilities and methods in the creation of shapes and materiality. The first workshop is passing through different dimensions, where we will investigate the potential of form from one point to another, the connection of lines, the enclosing of planes to three-dimensional forms, and the heterodimensional time. So I have done 2 markers for this workshop. This is the first one, and some photos in a slide. And this is the second one. After the markers are done, we are required to make the 9 blocks in a 3x3 grids and draw out the 9 pieces of blocks in 45-degree isometric form. So these are the works that I have done for my 9 blocks. Next, the workshop 2 extends out the possibilities of form change by understanding design principles as a guide for form order, dynamics, and aesthetic. First is the operative design of my 9 blocks. This operation first reduces the concept of spatial formation to its most fundamental element, allowing an object approach to providing the groundwork for surgery spatial design. The example includes 3 ways. There are aid, substrate, and display. For the aid session is to explain the size, number, or amount of something. Connect it to something else. I've used the method of expand, merge, and extrude on my 3 blocks. Next is the subtract part. This part means that we take something away from something else in order to reduce its size, number, and amount. And I have used the grade, shear, and carve method on it. The last one is the display. It means the position form is normal or appropriate position. So the interlock, split, and overlap method has shown in my slide. For the second task for the workshop, I changed my grid to 4x6, and the placement of my block is using the ordering principle like axis, rim, and symmetry. And these are the views of the blocks: the top view, left view, front view, rear view, and right view. And the cut planes of the new models are as shown in the slides, from the top plane and the plane 1 until the plane 5. For the workshop 3, we are to create and cast the shape, which will expose the emptiness equal to space using the form we picked from the last session. We are to investigate the quality of space, light, and shadow, especially as time passes, using construction place as a starting point. First, I have drawn out the porch plane and the section from the cut plane done by workshop 2. This is the porch plane, the section Y, and the section X. After the drawing, I started my casting with making the 2 molds based on my sectioning with the PVC board that is hard and able to keep the shape of the model. Next, I used the sellotape to seal the connecting PVC board to prevent the leaking of plaster of Paris. And I've mixed the plaster and the water with a ratio to 1 to 1.5. After pouring it into the mold, I let them sit under the sun for about 24 hours to let them dry. So this is my final result and my first experience with the casting process. And I also have my model here with me. And that's all for my assignment 1 presentation. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.